Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Life English Pro. Today, our special topic is respect money so much. Leo and I are so happy to share this with you because respecting money can completely change your life in English and in real world, too.
Yes, Sarah, exactly. Respect money so much means we value every single rupee or dollar like a true friend. It is not just about earning, it is about using it wisely so we never feel worried again. This topic is super important because when you respect money, you gain freedom, peace, and even better English conversation skills for job interviews or business talks.
Serious. Let me explain why this topic matters so much. Many people work hard but still stay poor because they do not respect money. They spend without thinking. Today, we will teach you English phrases, vocabulary, idioms, and real conversations so you can start respecting money right now.
Motivational. Friends, if you respect money so much, you will become confident and successful. Repeat after us later. I respect money so much because it gives me choices. Say it with me in your mind.
Friendly. Before we dive deep, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Life English Pro brings new conversation lessons every week so you can speak English like a pro. Subscribe now and join our family.
Yes, subscribe. It's free and it helps us make more videos for you. Now let's start our long conversation. Sarah, tell me, what does respect money mean to you personally?
Let me think. For me, respecting money means treating it like a seed. If I plant it carefully, it grows into a big tree of wealth. If I throw it away, nothing grows. For example, last month I said no to expensive coffee every day and saved 5,000 rupees. That felt so good.
Wow, 5,000 rupees just from skipping coffee? That is amazing. In English, we say, a penny saved is a penny earned. Let me teach our viewers this idiom. A penny saved is a penny earned means small savings add up to big success. Repeat, I saved a penny so much that now I have many pennies.
Exactly, Leo. Now let's teach more vocabulary. Word number 1, budget. A budget is a plan for your money. Sentence, I make a monthly budget, so I respect money so much. Word number 2, frugal. Frugal means careful with spending. My friend is very frugal and she respects money so much.
Great teaching, Sarah. Word number 3, invest. Invest means putting money to work for you. I invest in stocks because I respect money so much and want it to grow. Word number 4, waste. Waste means spending uselessly. Do not waste money on things you do not need.
Listeners, write these words in your notebook and use them today. Now let's share a real story. Leo, remember when I was nervous about money last year?
Calmly. Yes, Sarah. Tell the story slowly so everyone can learn English from it.
Okay, last year I was angry at myself because I spent all my salary on clothes and parties. I felt nervous every time the bill came. One day, my phone broke and I had no money to repair it. I cried and said, I did not respect money so much and now I'm suffering.
Friendly. But then what happened? Tell the happy part.
Happy. Then I changed. I started a budget. I saved 20% of every salary. In 6 months, I had enough for a new phone and even a small trip. Now I say proudly, I respect money so much and my life is better.
Excited. What a powerful story. That teaches us English structure too. I respect money so much because reason. Example, I respect money so much because it gives me security.
Funny. Leo, you are so smart. Now let's make it fun. Imagine we are in a shop. I will be the customer and you be the shopkeeper. Ready for role play?
Confident. Yes. Start.
Friendly. Hello, shopkeeper. How much is this shirt?
Calmly. It is 2,000 rupees, madam.
Let me think. That's expensive. Can you give discount? I respect money so much, so I want a good price.
Okay, because you are polite, I give 10% off. Now 1,800 rupees.
Happy. Deal. See, friends, in English, we use can you give discount and I respect money so much to negotiate nicely.
Motivational. Perfect role play. Now another one. Suppose you want to buy a phone, but it's costly. Sarah, you be the buyer again.
Serious. Excuse me, this phone is 50,000 rupees. I think I will wait because I respect money so much and I want to save first.
Surprised. Wow, you are so wise. Many people buy on impulse and feel sad later. Impulse means buying without thinking. New word, impulse buy. Sentence, never make an impulse buy if you respect money so much.
Calm. Yes. Now let's teach 10 tips one by one. Tip number 1. Track every expense. Leo, explain in English.
Confident. Tracking expense means writing down every rupee you spend. I track every expense in my notebook so I respect money so much. Do it for 30 days and you will be surprised how much you save.
Excited. Tip number 2. Set small goals. My goal is to save 10,000 rupees this month because I respect money so much. Say your goal out loud every morning.
Motivational. Tip number 3. Avoid debt. Debt is borrowing money. I avoid debt because debt makes me nervous and I cannot respect money so much.
Happy. Tip number 4. Use cash instead of cards sometimes. When you see real money leaving your hand, you think twice. I use cash so I respect money so much.
Funny. Tip number 5. Cook at home instead of eating out every day. Eating out is fun but costly. I cook at home and save money so much.
Serious. Tip number 6. Learn to say no politely. When friends say, let's go shopping, you can say, sorry, I respect money so much this month.
Thinking. Tip number 7. Read books about money. In English, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a great book. I read financial books because I respect money so much.
Excited. Tip number 8. Invest early. Even 1,000 rupees every month in a bank or stocks grows big. Compound interest is magic.
Surprised. Tip number 9. Give to charity sometimes. Yes, respecting money also means sharing wisely. I give 5% to charity because it makes me feel good and I still respect money so much.
Started. Tip number 10. Review your money every month. Sit quietly and ask, did I respect money so much this month? If yes, celebrate. Now let's teach some English idioms about money. Idiom 1. Money doesn't grow on trees. Meaning, money is not easy to get. Sentence. Stop asking for more pocket money. Money doesn't grow on trees.
Idiom 2. Time is money. Meaning, wasting time wastes money. I work hard because time is money, and I respect money so much.
Idiom 3. Penny wise and pound foolish. Meaning, saving small but losing big. Do not be penny wise and pound foolish. Respect money so much by thinking long term.
Idiom 4. Money talks. Meaning, rich people get attention. But we say, I make money talk by investing wisely.
Idiom 5. Break the bank. Meaning, cost too much. This vacation will not break the bank because I planned and I respect money so much.
Great! Now let's practice full sentences. I will say a sentence, you repeat in your home. I respect money so much that I always compare prices before buying.
Another one. Because I respect money so much, I started a side business and now I earn extra.
Listeners, if you are nervous about money, remember, even small steps show I respect money so much.
Leo, let's do a longer story now. Imagine a young boy named Ahmed. He was angry at his low salary. One day, he learned to respect money.
Tell the full story, Sarah.
Ahmed used to waste money on games and snacks. He felt sad every month end. Then his uncle said, "Son, respect money so much." Ahmed made a budget, saved 30%, invested in learning English courses, and after 1 year, he got a better job paying double. Now he is confident and happy.
Beautiful. This story teaches English narrative too. Past tense, he wasted. Then he learned. Now he respects.
Now let's role play a job interview where money is discussed. I am the boss, you are the candidate, Leo.
Okay, I feel a bit nervous, but let's do it.
So, Leo, why should we hire you?
Because I respect money so much. In my last job, I saved the company 20% by cutting waste. I can do the same here.
Wow, impressive. What is your salary expectation?
I expect a fair salary because I respect money so much, and I know my value. 80,000 rupees per month.
Deal. See, friends, in English interviews, we use I respect money so much to sound responsible.
Another role play, at the bank. Sarah, you want a loan, but you are frugal.
Hello, sir. I need a small loan for business.
Why should we give you loan?
Because I have a budget and I respect money so much, I will return every rupee on time.
Approved. Perfect English used.
Excited. Now let's teach negative sentences too. I do not respect money so much when I buy things I do not need.
And question, do you respect money so much? Answer, yes, I do.
Let's go deeper. What if someone is angry at money problems? How to speak calmly in English.
Say, I was angry, but now I respect money so much and I'm fixing it.
Yes, change your words, change your life. I respect money so much is a powerful English affirmation. Say it 10 times every day.
Friends, we have talked for a long time, but we can continue forever because this topic is endless. Let me ask Sarah one more question. What is the biggest benefit of respecting money?
The biggest benefit is peace of mind. No stress about bills, you sleep well, you help your family, and you speak English confidently about finances.
Absolutely. Now, one last role play for fun. We are friends planning a trip.
Leo, let's go to the mountains.
Sounds good, but I respect money. Let's find cheap tickets and stay in budget hotel.
Yes, we will enjoy more because we planned wisely.
See? Even fun becomes better when you respect money.
Okay, everyone, we covered vocabulary, idioms, stories, role plays, tips, and full conversations today. Practice all these sentences at home.
And remember, if you like this long lesson, please subscribe to Life English Pro right now. Click the red button, like the video, and comment, I respect money so much below so we know you learned.
Yes, subscribe and join thousands of learners who are now speaking better English and living richer lives. We will see you in the next video with another exciting topic. Until then, respect money so much and speak English every day.
Thank you so much for listening to our conversation. Stay happy, stay wise, and keep respecting money.
Goodbye, friends. Take care.
Goodbye.